habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Hello world, this is Louie Banta of LJMB, hoping that you and your families are staying safe and healthy during these times of the extended pandemic. If you're hurting financially, if you're hurting economically, you may have lost your job, somebody in the family lost theirs, or you may have had reduced income generating opportunities. Please remember that freelancing or putting up your business is an option. Indeed, in the past, in times of crisis, there were solid businesses and brands that were put up and established. I myself, in 2004, December 2004, I left a job in a consulting firm. I wanted to rest. I enjoyed the holiday month, the December month, the Christmas month. In January, middle of January, I'm looking at my dwindling finances and the reality is now setting in. It's a good thing that I had a client 15 years back at that time who called me up and asked for a 3-day strategic planning workshop. It built my confidence, and then I put up my freelancing practice for 7 months, registered my business name after 7 months because clients are already asking for official receipts, and then the rest is history. How do you now succeed in your freelancing practice? I have 3 tips for you. The first tip that I have is look at it as a long-term career. I didn't look back. I didn't desire to go back to employment. I started LJMB 2005 and we're now 15-year-old business. Some freelancers would only engage in freelance work in between jobs, and I believe it's also because they look at it as an interim or temporary thing. When you go freelance, it's your brand out there. You're starting your own business. Please do not put limits as to this is only the number of working days that I have in a month. That's my opinion. If you really want to excel and succeed, do not limit yourselves to just your monthly target, monthly pay, because you'll never know when projects will really come in and when they stop coming in. So seize all opportunities that come your way, and so that you can really create that reputation in the market. Make sure that your output is the one that speaks of your excellence and reliability. Word of mouth advertising is still the best form of advertising, especially for freelancers. When you're starting, make sure that you develop a mindset of delivering quality output to clients in a timely manner. No compromises, no excuses, no shortcuts, because that will really drive repeat business. So your time will be spent on servicing, and less on marketing, and selling yourself. Let your output speak of yourself even when or even before you meet the client. The third one is make it easy for clients to do business with you, and that's the advantage of dealing with freelancers. Freelancers have less constraints, have less rules, are less rigid with a lot of stuff, and make it a pleasant experience for your clients to talk with you, to negotiate with you, and that means you really have to practice some flexibility as well, while you also protect your own interests, and you make sure that you deliver quality and timely output. 3 things that will help you succeed as a freelancer. For all you know, your freelancing practice now is the one that will lead you to your business empire decades from now. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.